Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a break from farm chores to do 5G video for you. Just installed a new pig automatic waterer, and I'm building some goose nesting boxes. But let's come inside and let's do some videos. So 5G, we're going to start with the ETF here that represents the entire market. What I'm looking at now is the fact that we've changed very clearly the daily uptrend with 1-2 big gap up days, and we're coming up against a very key resistance, 27.43. But we're going to be really extended at this point. So if bulls manage to break 27.43, and there's nothing really stopping them from doing that other than being overextended, that overextension is going to be a cause for concern. And they're not going to have the same juice to blast through that key resistance and keep on going as if they would have if they took a little bit of a breather, established a daily high or low, and then did it again. So that's what I want to see, and that's what I'm going to be expecting. If we have an early morning rejection from 27.43, are going to be looking for downside and daily consolidation. So that is what stands out to me right now, because our RSI on the daily is 63, RSI on the 4-hour is 66, and the hourly certainly overbought at 75. This is what we got to be worried about. So here we are opening above that 27.43 and then falling right back down, showing that pressure. And really in the 5-minute time frame, it was a lackluster day. There was barely a trend to use. All of our MAs were just going sideways. And overall, it was green, but bulls didn't show me a lot of pizzazz. And that is the technical term. Our RSI is still, well, it's currently overbought because we have a little blip way up here at 85.26. So what we need to see is bulls smash through 27.43 and wait to see if they have what it takes to continue above that. If we open below and reject, I'm going to be looking for daily consolidation, and we're going to watch for an hourly trend change. And right now, what that is going to look like will be the loss of 27.88. At this point, we'll see what pre-market looks like where we open up, but that seems to be an important range for me. And why is that an important range? Because if I go to the 15-minute time frame, that's really the only bearish attack we saw toward the end of the day, and that is all the bears have given us so far. So 27.43, 27.28. Let's go look at AVGO. AVGO on the daily time frame has confirmed its daily trend change. So we are now looking at a nice series of higher highs, higher lows, and new higher highs. So same thing, because we are getting so close to a key resistance, 325.43. At this point, we're going to be overextended in the hourly time frame, and we need to consolidate and establish daily higher lows. 310.30 is that last daily level. We go to the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see we're slowing down a little bit. RSI is 67.82. Now, if this was a regular trading candlestick and not just after hours, and well, maybe it incorporates a little bit of, no, just after hours. This would be a hanging man candlestick, which is a bearish reversal. We'll see what happens. Same thing as tomorrow. If we open up under 325.43, don't see any ability to break that level, we're going to be looking for 4-hour consolidation and daily consolidation. Both of those are going to be using the same level, 310.30, because we haven't consolidated in a while, and that is not good for the bulls. On the hourly time frame, looks like we have a base of support down here at 321.65. We're going to be looking for that to hold. And we break that, then we're definitely looking for 4-hour consolidation. If we manage to stay above 321.65, bulls might be able to hold it out up here and take a crack at 325.43. But I'm still looking for that daily and 4-hour oversold conditions. MRVL on the daily time frame not showing the same amount of strength. We have a double top near today's hive day and yesterday's hive day, 25.78. And beyond that, we have some more resistance over here at 26.05. So if I see the overall market giving us some consolidation, the 5G and the other names going into daily consolidation, which is what we expect, we would watch and anticipate MRVL to do the same, because we've consolidated ever so slightly up here on the daily time frame, but we don't have anything on to give us a more confident higher low on the daily. What we would need to see for confidence in that matter would be another small inside bar day, defending a base of support, and then moving above 25.78. On the 4-hour time frame, we are chopping sideways, not showing much strength and not showing any weakness either, which is about as much as the bulls could ask for at this point. And our RSI is slowly cooling off, sitting at 58.95. So what we're going to be looking forward to again tomorrow will be a show of strength. Lack of ability to break that double top at 25.78 is going to be looking for 4-hour and daily consolidation. SWKS, a stronger name out of the gate today. We opened right above, or I should say right below that key resistance, 120.72. Bulls smashed it, but they are also going to be getting overextended after 3 days of a rally here. 57 RSI on the daily is happy. 4-hour time frame, what are we looking at? Overbought at 69.95 and looking for some consolidation. So if we go to the hourly time frame, as long as bulls stay above 122.15 and just go sideways, in fact, if they had a day very similar to what the 5G ETF did today, where we just basically trend sideways, that is going to give those hourly bulls enough time to cool off on SWKS. So that would be the best case scenario for continuation on the part of the bulls. 122.23 is the key level there. If we break that, we're going to be looking for hourly consolidation and likely 4-hour consolidation with our last 4-hour higher low sitting down at 118.40. INSG showing a little bit of weakness. There is a resistance at 863. Bulls managed to push up there, but seemed to be pretty soundly rejected. And we'd have to check the 5-minute time frame to see what we're looking at here. But I would start to look for a little bit of a wedge shape. We're probably not quite there yet. And I think I might have mentioned this in the last video, but we're just seeing the ever so slight tightening range here. Right now on the day's candlestick, bulls have lost some momentum. 863 is going to be a key level. And what is our resistance? 866. So a 3-cent spread for a double top. Absolutely, bulls need to get over that level, and they can consolidate all the way down to 722 and still be in an overall daily uptrend. On the 4-hour time frame, looks like we've lost 4-hour higher lows. 4-hour bulls can stay above 785 and maintain that trend. And let's see if we can make that wedge work. I'm not sure if we can, but we're going to give it a shot. So there's that 863 area of resistance. Let's go ahead and just try this out. What we're trying to do is take the tops of our green candlesticks and the bottoms of our reds, just trying to see if we can find something that works a little bit. And I'm not going to give this full confidence because we've only got 1, 2, 3 touches, 4 touches maybe. I would need to see another move up to, let's anticipate and say we get another move to 863. If we see another rejection from that level and confirm another little bounce of support, I'm going to be looking for a pullback based on this wedge, based on this 863 level of resistance. We'll see if it comes into play. If it does in fact come into play, we're going to be looking for 4-hour consolidation at a minimum, and we'd be looking at 783 as our first major area of support based on the price action that we see now. So a lot of speculation, but that's what we do in technical analysis. We prepare for scenarios, and that way when the price does move to 863 and we see a rejection and a break of this wedge, we know what's happening. We don't need to second guess. We can place our entries and plan an execution of a good trade. Anyway, that's it. I'm rambling now. Have a great day. I'm going to go back outside and work on the farm.